I tried out NotebookLM just for you. Hi everyone, welcome to another of my video, and today we'll be discussing a very interesting tool, NotebookLM. So let's get into the video. So a few weeks ago, I had to go through a 180 pages technical report, which normally would have taken me hours, maybe days if I do say so myself. But all I had to do was put it into NotebookLM and literally gave me the summary, overview, key pointers, and even practice questions for me to understand the document even better. Interestingly enough, many people think AI is all about ChatGPT. But with NotebookLM, it literally goes into your reports, research, your docs, your explainers, etc., and gives you a better understanding of those kind of documents. So let's get into the video and let's have a proper understanding of many features that come with NotebookLM. We have different features here. Upload your sources, PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, etc. You also get instant insight with all your sources in just one place. And you can also see the source, not just the answer. And let's see. Right, a very important caveat. So NotebookLM does not use your personal data to train it. So they don't need your personal data, or your personal data is private to you. So your source uploads, your queries, the responses, everything that you upload to NotebookLM is not used for model training. Okay, so I have just navigated to my NotebookLM dashboard. So let's play around with some use cases, shall we? So I will just go ahead and click this, create new. So what we're going to test out first is a research study or doing research as a student, right? So say you have tons and tons of documents that you have been presented with as a student, and you want to get past questions, or you want to understand a particular term, or you want to get flashcards, right? Let's see how that's going to work out. We have Google Drive, so you can upload Google Docs, Google Slides, website link, YouTube link, and a copied text, which is really cool. Source limits we have it, if you're interested. Let's see, discover sources, if you're interested. Split it into different tabs. So we have the sources at the side, we have charts, and we have studio. Okay. So let's add, so say like a student, right? And you want to add sources from your school, from your faculty, whatever. So I have some sources here. Okay, this is good. Okay, this is good. Okay. Okay. So another question we can ask is, so instead of studying these two documents, I can literally just put it on the NotebookLM like I've seen you do, and ask the second questions, and it will give me results. Okay, that took longer than expected, but as we can see, very good. We have 1980 civil litigation Shudene versus Arutami, corporate law 1983, matrimonial courses rules 1983. Okay, this is really good. 2001 civil litigation, companies winding up rules under KAMA, corporate law, companies winding up rules. I can always jump to the right. I can always jump. This is really good. I can always jump to this and see like what it was said exactly in the document. It is really good. Okay. Let's see. Adeleke versus Osha. No, this is worth. I like this so much. Okay, so let's just jump to the bottom. I hope that this was all the dates included in both documents. But yeah, let's just move on to the next. So let's say, okay, so we have our flashcard ready. Okay, the CAC, okay, complete explanation. Insert, okay. Flashcard 1, 2, 3. National Office for Technology Acquisition and Promotion Registration. Okay, this is good. Let's see the audio preview. Let me try to generate this generates something smooth this here. About 20 minutes each. So while our audio is being generated, let's check out the next use case, in-depth analysis. So let's add resource and let's copy the links actually. So say you want to check out Meta's privacy policy, Anthropic's privacy policy, OpenAI's privacy policy. Say maybe you're very interested in AI safety and risk, and you want to understand much better what these companies what their privacy policies actually say is particular companies. How do you go about it? So let's put it on NotebookLM and let's check it out. So copy links. So the first one I've tried was we uploaded our PDFs, but this time around let's upload links. Okay, so let me upload this first URL, Anthropic's URL. Also, I'm not. So fun fact, there are some websites that freebie you from adding them as a source. So we have this, for example. Let me so let's just, since this is just like a practice video, let's just focus on Anthropic and Meta. So I have Anthropic and I have Anthropic and OpenAI. So let me uncheck this because again we're not dealing with this anymore. So I will need to focus on Anthropic and OpenAI. So I am a journalist asking questions about OpenAI's privacy practices. Use the report to respond as a company spokesperson and include suggestions, citations to the reports. Thank you for reaching out. I appreciate your interest in okay. Here's a breakdown of our approach. Personal data we collect. Okay, account information, your name, contact details, credentials, the user content information. Mechanisms to manage this. So again, in-depth analysis. If you want to analyze certain documents, certain reports, certain policies, and you want to get a better understanding, you don't have to read through the whole thing, and you can just put it on NotebookLM and it will summarize the whole thing for you. Alright, so let's go back to Studio and see. This is still generating. Let's see what we do for this.
Welcome back to the deep dive. Okay, so today you've given us this really fascinating map into the heart of Nigerian civil and corporate law. Looks like a pretty dense landscape, teeming with rules, procedures, crucial distinctions. Can seem a bit daunting. Our mission.
And let's convert it into a mind map. Let's generate a mind map. Okay, so our video is ready. So let's just click on that and let's play it.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on OpenAI's privacy policy. We're going to follow your data on its journey right from the moment you type a single word to really understand what all that legal jargon actually means for you as a user. I'm involved in there, right? You ask ChatGPT for a recipe, some help with your code, maybe just a funny poem. You enter, you close the tab.
It was very interesting, mind-blowing, I would say, so because it usually condensed all of the information and gave you in a conversational style video format. There it is, Google's NotebookLM, your own personal research and thinking partner that you can integrate into your workflow. So we only looked at 3 use cases here, but if you are interested in using NotebookLM, there are so many use cases that you can take a look at and explore. And I hope that this video has given you the push to try out NotebookLM in your next research or your next study group. And I will see you in my next video.